สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today, I don't want to cook anything, but I will take you a tour. I will bring you to tour of my refrigerator because when you manage your refrigerator, that's very important for your kitchen because sometimes your vegetable or your meat you buy from the market and you don't know how to keep it for a long time. I think that's a big problem. So today I show you how to manage my refrigerator. This way, please. And I think all refrigerator, everyone has something. We have a magnet from each country that I've been to Bethlehem, Israel. You see closer. And what else? Of course, I don't get any commission. But here, which country? Netherlands. Okay, Netherlands and Switzerland. How's that? What? Austria. I think Austria. Banahil. Banahil that Vietnam. Ladakh is India, Singapore, and yeah, just for remind me like which country I've been. Okay, so first time we see refrigerator here. Dan. To make a tour. Actually, I was a tour guide before, but today I don't want to show you any Thailand, but show you Thai refrigerator. Okay, this is the freezer and this is the regular room. Okay, for the vegetable, if you want to keep longer, I recommend you put in the Ziploc bag like this and then try to take some air out, vacuum air out like this, and then put in the plastic bag like this. You keep longer and you should separate. For my refrigerator, okay, I leave, okay, the freezer, okay, the freezer moment we use the regular room. I separate this one for the fresh vegetable. I put a Ziploc bag, this one for fresh vegetable, and this one for the fruit. I put the fruit in the box like this. But after we bought it, we clean with ozone and put in the box. Okay, we have orange, apple, pear, and this one we use for the dry spices, and some like chilies we put in the box as well. See, to keep longer. This one keep for 2 weeks. Okay, and what else? There's some crispy things. Curry paste. Okay, so curry paste. After you make your own curry paste, you put in refrigerator in a regular room a week. But if you put in the freezer, you can leave for 3 months. Okay, and what else? Palm sugar. Palm sugar you actually put outside, but if you're concerned about the ants, put in refrigerator, more safe. Okay, and what else? Eggs. But you know, eggs, if you rub egg with oil, vegetable oil, you can keep egg for 3-4 weeks. Okay, to keep longer. And what else? That chili paste is also chili paste as well. This is a northern chili paste. Northern chili paste. We make a lot. So now you know Thai people, we don't want to make a paste every day. We make quite a lot and then we leave in refrigerator. Okay, so beverage and this one some Western, some Thai. Okay, some Thai. For your seasoning, like a fish sauce, oyster sauce, I recommend if you cook Thai food not often, you should not buy the big bottle. You just buy the small one, just like this, and keep in refrigerator. Better. You can keep. It's more safe because actually in Thailand and in Southeast Asia the weather is too warm and hot and humid. I think this it's difficult for us to save something outside if we don't use every day. Okay, this one we separate. By the way, we make our dessert, but I will show you once. This one, some fruit in my house and cook with syrup, in syrup. Okay, we cook it and we put like this to eat. And then for the freezer, the first one, this one, chicken stock. My chicken stock. I don't want to use artificial stock, but I use chicken bone. Use the chicken bone, and in Thailand we buy just 15 baht. 15 baht. Just 50 cents or something like that, okay? And we pour the water, just that's it, and boil for 1.5 or 2 hours, like this. And then we got the stock, and then we put in the plastic bag or in the box or in anything, and we separate to use time by time. And this one for every morning, okay? And for the meat, you see, okay, okay. For the meat, I separate time by time as well. I don't want to put the whole meat, the whole kilogram together, but we separate this one for 1 meal. Yeah, pat and for 1 meal. Easy for us to use in each time. And yes, we pack. Also this one ground pork. Okay, we use like this. Easy. And if you want to, this one is freezing, it's hot. It's easy for you to melt it before you use, because it's not too big. You just use this one. You don't have to melt it the whole meat. Okay. And what else? We use. Okay. We have in my garden we have a lot spinach. This one our frozen spinach, but not from supermarket, from my farm. Okay, so we cut spinach and then we salt boil. Okay, try to open to show you. We salt boil. After salt boil, we make a lump, each like one lump like this. Then you see. And if we want to use, we just take it, few lumps, and use for soup or for stir fry, anything for baking this spinach. If you have your own garden, maybe you can manage your vegetable and do like this. I think it's easy, make your life in kitchen easy. Okay. Oof. Okay, and this one, you see, it's a lump one, spinach. And what we have more, I want to show you all the dry herb, dry spice. Okay, dry spice. We leave in the freezer to keep longer. This one like Thai apple, we call juju. Okay, this our refrigerator tour, or maybe you can get some idea because this want to help you to manage your time when you cook and easy for you to set your refrigerator like this. So set your meat first and your vegetable you can put in your Ziplocs to keep longer. Okay, maybe you can try that home, and if you have any question about Thai cooking or kitchen tips, you can ask me, and then I promise I will answer every question. Okay, next clip. Bye bye. See you in the next clip.